Okay, people, now time for the last assignment for this chapter. Okay, we are going to take a look at page 168. We're going to do specific conditional formatting, multiple conditional formatting, and as well as rule manager. Okay, so I've downloaded the file, and then I also go to the page lah. So if you are using PowerPoint, search for this particular title. Okay. All right. So once we have opened this, select D4 to 08. Where is D4 to 08? 08. Okay. Now basically select the whole thing. Now what is conditional formatting for is so that we can see the easily able to see the things that we want to see lah. So it's better to just show you an example. All right. Conditional formatting, highlight cell. Okay, so we select conditional formatting, then we highlight cells greater than. Okay, so we select this one first. So change it to 600. Okay, then press OK. Now, if you notice, all right, all the values that is above 600, they will highlight. All right, so this one helps us to track lah. Okay, which one is the things that we want to take note of, which one got problem, because you see in Excel there's always huge amount of data, and sometimes we just want to quickly spot the things that we want to see only and nothing else. Okay, so this is one of the easiest way to do it. All right, so yeah, we are done here for this part. We just save. Okay, now we need to save as our patient visits conditional formatting solution. Okay, get rid of all the underscore, then type there solution. Oops, solution. Okay, press save. All right. So moving on. Now we need to apply multiple conditional formatting rules. So sometimes we are not just want to spot one thing, but we want to spot a few things. Okay. So again, everything is selected. D4 to 08. Okay. Then we want to go to conditional formatting again, and then this time we highlight rules less than how much? 300. Okay, but if we leave it as light red and the dark red color, dark red text, notice it's just the same thing. So we don't want that. We want to be able to differentiate. So we select yellow fill with dark yellow text. Okay, then we press OK. Now notice some is red, some is yellow. That way we can actually differentiate. Okay. So all right. Yeah. Then this is done. So just press save. Okay. But sometimes if you want to be more, I mean, like, okay, you done this already, but then you want to do some changes. Okay, so you select to D. Again, you need to select all this. All right, now when you go to here, okay, you can go to clear rules from the selected cell. Okay, all right, so once you clear it, yes, it might seem like, oh, you wasted my effort. No, you have not wasted your effort. You have actually learned how to put in. Okay, now we need to learn how to get rid. Okay, so this is how showing you how to get rid of it. But we don't really want to fully get rid of it. We want to change to something else. So same thing, we go to conditional formatting. We go to manage rules. Okay, now this one will help you a lot. Okay, so in here we select format only top or bottom rank value. You need to click new rule first. Okay, format only now the third one from the top. Okay, and then we go down, click the percentage selected. This one we select, we tick it. Okay, top 10, right? Yeah, and then click the format button. Okay, because now right now the top 10% will show nothing, because that, I mean, will not be different from the rest because there's no new format. So we need to specify a specific format. So in the fill tab, okay, we go to fill. Okay, we need to find light red or pink color. All right, light red. I don't have light red here. No, I don't have light red here. I'll just select red lah. Okay. Oh wait, it's up here. Oh, it's down here. Okay. If you can't figure out where, you can take a look at the figure 639. So this is the one that we are looking for. Press OK. All right, twice. So press OK again. Okay, then under the conditional formatting rules manager again, we are back here. All right, we select new rule, another new rule, and then we do the same thing again, format top and bottom, but this time we change. We don't want the top 10%, now we want the bottom 10%. And don't forget to select this one. Okay, and then click format. Similarly, now this time we want to click the yellow one. So yellow is this yellow or is this yellow? Yellow lah. It's so bright. This one lah, a bit orangey, but never mind. Okay, press OK. All right, see, it's about roughly the same color mah. That's the why. Okay, then we press OK. All right, correct, right? Yes. Press OK. Then press OK. All right. So this way we can see this one that is highlighted in so-called pink color. Okay, is all the top 10%, right? And where else all this in the yellow orangey thingy color is the bottom 10%. Okay. So once we have done that, is that all? Yeah. Okay. So that's all. Save, submit. Thank you, class.